Isn't that... Go, Liam. You can do it. You're almost there. And then you climb up the ladder. You can make it. Fail. Big fail. Life hack.
Please stop saying that.
Okay. Hey.
Yes.
Hey.
I know you're.
What did I? When I'm not recording it, I'm just like. I'm not. Why would I troll you, Liam, and do that? Try that again. I need to respond to some texts. Or am I? Okay.
Parker,
What?
I'm trolling your brother.
Oh, Liam keeps falling down.
What does this water do? Okay.
Come on, Liam. I wonder if he'll fall down in lava this time. Come on, climb up the ladder. Oh! He made it. He made it out. Oh.
Now what?
Liam, go back down there. Go back down there and help Dylan.
Oh, hey, Dylan.
Go back down there and help Dylan. Go back down there.
No.
Now.
No! I already did it!
Yes.
No!
Yes.
I know!
Yeah.
No!
Yeah.
Okay, Liam, come here. Yeah?
Dylan. Life hack.
Something pushed me.
Life hack.